It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for our neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beauty woods, a neighborly day for beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I've always wanted to live in this neighborhood with you, so let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please won't you be my neighbor? Hello, television neighbors. Glad we're back together again today. This is going to be a very tremendous day for all of us today. In a few minutes, television neighbors, I will be taking you to a place called the neighborhood garden, and that's a place where there are plants, trees, hummingbirds, and lots of other great creatures are. But before that, I want to sing a song for you. You are my friend, you are special. You are my friend, you're special to me. You are the only one like you, my friend. I like you in the daytime, in the nighttime, anytime that you feel the right time for a friendship with me. You see, FRIEND special. You are my friend, you're special to me. There's only one in this wonderful world. You are special. And that's the special song that I wanted to sing to you. And look what I brought. A Bon Jovi songbook of Armageddon, the soundtrack to the motion picture soundtrack, Peace, Love, and Joy card from Megan and Sydney, and the PBS notebook of other films. Okay, now it's time to go visit that neighborhood garden.
Okay, let's go.
So come along and we'll go and visit Mr. Van Hogan at our neighborhood tree garden.
Come on, television neighbors, let's go.
wasn't that great?
It was. I'm glad we had so many beautiful outdoor critters to share with your television neighbors, Vic.
All right. Now it's time to get the trolley in. We'll have some make believe right now. All right. Last time in the neighborhood of make believe, we were pretending that Daniel Tiger went on a short nature walk with one of his friends, handyman Negri. So let's make believe that Daniel is visiting with Charles R. Aber, and he's very excited to go out on this nature walk, and we'll even make believe that there'll be a test on Daniel's next book report about tree bird watching.
Wow.
So
pay attention.
So let's make believe some more about that now. As the trolley goes in front of the castle in the neighborhood of make believe. Ready to go, trolley? Oh, okay. Neighborhood of make believe.
I think I heard the trolley coming.
Charles R. Aber and Handyman Negri, I presume.
Two and the same. Aye, aye, Captain Blackbeard.
Actually, it is King Friday.
Wow, you look like Blackbeard the pirate.
But I am not.
Well, I believe you, Your Highness.
I am King Friday.
I stand corrected. We stand corrected.
Now tell me, Charles R. Aber and Handyman Negri.
Yes, Your Highness.
Daniel Stripe the Tiger is doing a book report on nature bird watching. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yes.
Kind gentleman.
I can and I will. On today's visit to the nature park, Daniel got to see quail, bunny rabbits, a thrasher. Oh, it's a scary looking bird. A little cute titmouse. I mean, there were a lot of critters that he got to see that he'll be able to write a good book report about.
I'm Daniel, and I admire your confidence, Handyman Negri and Charles R. Aber.
Well, we have confidence in you too, Daniel. You knocked a home run. You hit the ball out of the park when you do your book report on the nature visit that you did today.
Hello, dears. I'm Queen Sarah.
Queen Sarah, you look like a pink flamingo. What have you done to your hair?
Well, I fixed it.
No, I'll say you did. Wow, it looks marvelous. You always look marvelous. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Your Highness.
Now, did you tell my husband that Daniel is gonna be finishing his book report about bird watching?
Well, I didn't tell His Highness that Daniel would finish his book report, but I did say he was going to write a good one. When he finishes it, only Daniel knows for sure. Children, you know, they get distracted and, you know, they move from one activity to another. So I'm just not sure, Your Highness. I hope that's an adequate answer.
Well, thank you, dear, and thanks for your help too, Trolley.
Okay, goodbye.
You know, that was fun. We'll have to make believe about Daniel Tiger's book reports some other time. You know, it gives me such a triumphant feeling to be able to help you know what it means to act responsible when you love all creatures, big and small. And it also gives me a really touching feeling to be able to help you understand what it means to be able to be careful to realize that you are special in any way of your unique selves and your kind selves too. It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's such a happy feeling. You're growing inside, and when you wake up ready to say, I think I'll make a snappy new day, it's such a good feeling, a very good feeling. The feeling you know that I'll be back when the week is new, and I'll have more ideas for you, and you'll have things you want to talk about. I will too. And I'll be back next time, television neighbors. Bye.